Hello and welcome to Part 3, the final part of Learn 100 Fruits in English. Let's go. Question 76. What is this orange melon with netted skin called in English? Answer is cantaloupe. Next question. Question 77. What is this pale green smooth melon called in English? Answer is honeydew melon. Next question. Question 78. What is this yellow oblong melon called in English? Answer is canary melon. Next question. Question 79. What is this white or pale green Asian melon called in English? Answer is winter melon. Next question. Question 80. What is this small round striped melon called in English? Answer is sugar baby watermelon. Next question. Question 81. What is this orange-fleshed green melon called in English? Answer is Gallia melon. Next question. Question 82. What is this elongated green striped melon called in English? Answer is Charleston gray watermelon. Next question. Question 83. What is this yellow honeydew variety called in English? Answer is golden honeydew. Next question. Question 84. What is this small personal-sized melon called in English? Answer is mini watermelon. Next question. Question 85. What is this aromatic orange melon from France called in English? Answer is Charentaises melon. Next question. Question 86. What is this red fruit with hundreds of seeds inside called in English? Answer is pomegranate. Next question. Question 87. What is this pear-shaped green fruit with brown skin called in English? Answer is avocado. Next question. Question 88. What is this purple or green fruit that grows on fig tree called in English? Answer is fig. Next question. Question 89. What is this wrinkled brown sweet fruit from palm tree called in English? Answer is date. Question 90. What is this yellow fruit from quince tree called in English? Answer is quince. Next question. Question 91. What is this small red berry that makes sour taste sweet called in English? Answer is miracle berry. Next question. Question 92. What is this large round fruit with hard shell and orange flesh called in English? Answer is pumpkin, technically a fruit. Next question. Question 93. What is this horned orange African fruit called in English? Answer is horned melon or kiwano. Next question. Question 94. What is this small yellow fruit that looks like tiny banana called in English? Answer is finger banana or baby banana. Next question. Question 95. What is this black fruit from mulberry tree called in English? Answer is black mulberry. Next question. Question 96. What is this small round Japanese persimmon called in English? Answer is fuyu persimmon. Next question. Question 97. What is this heart-shaped green fruit with white flesh called in English? Answer is soursop. Next question. Question 98. What is this brown, snake-like fruit from palm tree called in English? Answer is salak or snake fruit. Next question. Question 99. What is this green, spiky fruit that smells like jackfruit called in English? Answer is jackfruit. Next question. Question 100. What is this small yellow acidic fruit from India called in English? Answer is Indian gooseberry or amla. Thanks for watching! Now you've completed learning 100 fruits in English. Congratulations on finishing this complete series. You've learned fruits from part 1, part 2, and now you've reached the end. You now know 100 different fruit names in English. That's amazing. I hope this video series helped you improve your English vocabulary. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the English Audiobook Library for more English lessons. Thanks for watching! See you in the next video. Goodbye and happy learning.